This is why you need to stop worrying about your cracking knuckles. When you stretch or bend your fingers, you're actually pulling apart your joint surfaces. This creates a low-pressure zone that pulls gases into the joint, forming a bubble. When the bubble collapses, you hear that satisfying pop. Here's the cool part. It's not hurting your joints at all. It's just a little gas party in your knuckles. The science term for this is cavitation. So next time someone gives you the stink eye for cracking your knuckles, just tell them you're conducting a scientific experiment. But remember, moderation is key. Cracking knuckles too often might irritate the joints. So keep it playful, but don't overdo it. There you have it, the real reason your knuckles pop. Like and subscribe for more snappy science facts.